Hey folks, I have a little banjo to show you today. This is 746. This is for Ken, and it's my last instrument for October, so I appreciate his patience. It's one of my little mini 5-strings, so it's an 11-inch rim, or sorry, 8-inch rim with a 17-inch scale, and I've got some thicker strings on it so that it can be tuned to open G. I actually like mine best tuned up a whole step with the same string set to open A, like an A scale, but they sounds good either way. It's just another like mystery why this little thing works out for this tuning, but it does. It just feels nice to me. And a lot of folks have been picking these up for travel instruments, or maybe they've got arm and hand issues and the smaller instruments more comfy. Whatever. I'm just glad to be able to get to make them. So it's made from some really delicious, lightly curly cherry that just I love, with pistachio, everything else. I chose like a real reddish pistachio trim for all this. I like the little curl in the neck. It's really nice. And then kind of red and swirly pistachio. Armrest, goatskin head, tuned to open G, as I said. Yeah, lovely. So yeah, that's 746. Excuse me, 748. Ready to go. Cheers.